The scaffolding components list page is accessed via the Items section of the left-hand menu. This list is currently empty. In the program, it is possible to enter the data of one individual scaffolding component through the dedicated page, which opens after pressing the Add a New Item button. This is convenient when you need to enter one new scaffolding component, but for initial data or a large amount of scaffolding components data entry, it is more convenient to import this data from an Excel file prepared in a certain format. We open an example of such an Excel file. We can see how data is formed. We close this file and then on the program mentioned page, press the Import Items from an Excel file button. Select the import file using the Choose File button. When its name appears next to the Choose File button, we can press the Import button. The data import was successful and the scaffolding components appeared in this list. It is possible that the data in the import file is not formatted correctly, or duplicates exist in this file, or in this file exist duplicates of included before importing scaffolding components data. The program will then stop the import and inform the user about the problem by displaying a corresponding message. Only basic data is visible in the scaffolding components list. Each line in the list has small blue and orange buttons to view or edit the required input. We are reviewing these pages. On the Edit page of the scaffolding component, we change the price and press Update button. We see that the data has changed.